Okay, so we're here today to disinfect this locker room. Part of our disinfectant process is a first step of a extended coverage antimicrobial product like Gold Shield 75. What that's gonna do is it's gonna make it so that bacteria and pathogens have a difficult time surviving in this environment. It's gonna create a covalent bond to the surface and make it so that pathogens are unable to survive. Coupled with the daily disinfectant practices, will keep this place considerably safer than if we were just disinfecting alone. So we'll get that started right now.